I'm Hazel Marsden and I'm the recipient of the British Society for Plant Pathology 40th Anniversary Studentship. So I'm currently studying a taught Masters course in Plant Pathology at Harper University. I'm halfway through the course now, so spring's now arriving on campus, and as I'm nearing the end of the taught modules, I'm about to start my main project. So Plant Pathology course here included one free choice module, so as one of my interests is in vectors, I chose to do an entomology module for that one, which was really interesting. There was great expert guest speakers, and I felt it was a really useful bit of background to have, as some diseases are vectored by very specific species, so obviously being able to identify them is very useful. We've had multiple other modules, experiment design and analysis, how to plan an experiment to get data from that can be successfully analysed, and how to analyse the data once you've got it. And obviously more specific plant management modules. So these have also all been really good, loads of guest speakers, online and in person. So we've been looking at weeds, insect pests, insect beneficials, and obviously plant diseases. That's included one specific plant pathology module so far, looking at life cycles and management of plant pathogens. I'm mostly looking at fungi and bacteria, the morphology, this one's a fusarium species, the basic identification and lab culturing techniques. So we'll be looking at the molecular side of things later in what's actually the final taught module. Then I'm going to be fully focusing on my master's project, which I'm still finalising at the moment. It's going to be looking at microdochium, which is a very closely related fungus to fusarium. It's quite a serious problem in UK crops. It causes disease at multiple stages of growth for cereals, and I'm going to be looking at the effects on the seed and the seedling stage. So what I'm planning on looking at is basically the biopesticide potential of some bacteria. So I've got several different bacillus isolates to look at. There's already some evidence that they can affect the growth of microdochium in vitro. So I'm going to be testing and trying to quantify that, and then testing if they can delay or prevent the fungus from developing and causing disease in plants. But some of the bacteria are already being used as viable alternatives to chemical pesticides for other fungal diseases. So this is a really growing area of research at the moment, so it's a very interesting topic to be getting involved in. I've also been getting involved in other research projects going on campus now that COVID restrictions are being lifted. Some of those are potentially related to plant diseases, like looking at aphids, which are one of the common virus vectors, but I've also been getting involved in ones that really aren't. So, all in all, it's been a really positive experience so far, and I'm looking forward to getting stuck into my own research. So thank you for listening.